Hello friends, I am myself Divyanshu Sharma and I am a second year student of MBD Law University Gwalior, Madhya Pradesh and in present I am working as a legal intern with the Lexis and Company and my today's topic is human rights and Constitution of India. So the human rights are the primary right to have to any personal via way of means of distinctive feature of its beginning in human race. It is inherent in all human regardless to their consideration. The Protection of Human Rights Act 1993 defines human rights as human manner the rights regarding lifestyle, liberty, equality, and dignity of the person assured by a way of means of constitution or embodied within inside the international covenants and enforceable by a way of means of courts in India. Protection of human rights is vital for the improvement of the human of the country, which is the long run result in improvement of the country wide as a complete. The Constitution of India ensures the primary human right to each and every citizen of the country. The farmers of the Constitution have placed the first class efforts in setting down the essential provision. However, with the continuous trend taking place in the human origin of the human rights had additionally expanded the parliamentaries at the moment of gambling a terrific function is spotting the right of humans and passing statutes. The amending provision act era acts and wills require development of the human rights. The human rights in India originated from the long term ago. It can without problem be identified from the standard of Buddhism, Jainism, Hinduism, Hindu spiritual books and spiritual texts like Gita, Vedas, Arthashastra and Dharmashastra. Dharmasaya additionally contained provisions for his regard for rights and justice during the early British era and suffered a terrific violation of numerous rights and this was the beginning of the cutting edge human rights jurisprudence in India on January 24, 1947. Constituent Assembly voted to shape an advisory committee for the uh, fundamental rights and Sardar Patel because the chairman draft with Sardar Patel because the chairman drafted listing of rights had been organized by a way of means of Dr. B.R. Ambedkar, B.N. Rao, K.T. Shah, Harman Singh, K.M. Munshi, and the Congress Professional Committee. Although there had been few amendments proposed, there has been nearly no confrontation at the standard incorporated. The right within inside the Universal Declaration of Human Rights had been nearly absolutely blanketed. Within inside the Indian Constitution, both in fundamental rights or directive principle of state policy, 19 uh, essential rights had been blanketed in Motilal Nehru Committee report in 1928, out of which 10 seen within the fundamental rights, while three of them seen as fundamental duties. International human rights in fundamental rights. India had signed the Universal Declaration on Human Rights January 1, 1942. Part 3 of the Constitution. India additionally referred as a Magna Carta included the fundamental rights. These are the rights which might be immediately impossible to put the country in case of any violation. Article 13 to prohibit country from making any regulation in violation of the fundamental rights. It usually gives that if part of regulation made is towards the fundamental right, that the component could be declared as void. If the void component can't be separated from the primary act, the complete act can be declared as void. In the case of Nanda Bharti versus State of Kerala case, the apex courtroom docket discovered that Universal Declaration of Human Rights might not be a legally binding tool. However, it indicates how in India understood the character of human rights on the time of the constitution change. It follow in case of Chairman Railway Board and ORS versus Chandiram O's and Oris, it changed into discovered that UDH has been defined as model code of behavior followed via way of means of United Nations General Assembly. The standard can also additionally need to be examined. It wanted in home jurisprudence. Thank you, friends. I hope that you liked my video and. And if you have any problem related to the topic or the video, please let me know in the comment section. I will try to figure out your problem and don't forget to subscribe and press the bell icon of the channel. Thank you and have a nice day.